So Kamran did PMi RMP before he did PMP in 4 months to certification. Kamran, why don't you share your journey, please?
Yes, sir, thank you. Thank you, Gulzar Saab also. It was nice working with you both, sir. Before I cleared PMP, so I have little knowledge about RMP also, as one of the topic was also RMP. So I have information. So after getting slides and this new information from Mr. Gulzar Saab, I studied, I get mocks, I go through all the mocks, then book the exam, then I passed it. It was a really nice journey.
Okay. Gulzar, what would you say about this journey?
I would say that Kamran was a dedicated person and he worked really hard to pass get this milestone. And I really appreciate his efforts. But there are some questions I want to ask him about the exam and
Go
the
ahead.
relevancy. What was the relevancy level of our new slides, Kamran? You have gone through the previous slides as well as new slides as well. So I believe you have gone through the practice guide also, new risk practice guide. So how do you relate? What do you think? What can be the score? Or what can be the improvement in the slides?
Sir, I think situational questions are coming.
Mm,
State questions are not coming now. You go one time and you understand the answer, you pick the answer. It is not that way now. So like uh, every question takes time from studying to getting the correct option. So we can improve by getting situational questions, sir. More situational questions.
right. So,
Okay.
can you tell me that, in the previous, before the, in the risk standard, there was not that much focus on the functional framework of the enterprise and the portfolios, programs. That was much focused on the project risk management. Now, they have linked it very deeply from the risks coming from the top and going from the top down and down up approaches and the other factors, the domains of the portfolio, domains of the program. So, do you think that there were some questions related to these things, especially domains of the portfolio and program domains?
Yes, sir. New questions were also there. But I will say that you need to get situational questions, sir. I did not, I was surprised and not relaxed during the exam.
Hmm.
Before, when I was doing like PMP exam, I was relaxed. I was aware that I will pass this one. Na? But this time I was little, you can say, worried about the exam. It was not easy. It was very tough. And from the start, if I say, I completed the first 57 questions in 70 minutes, sir. And the second part, it was quite difficult, and I took 80 minutes, sir. So I will say, it is not easy to conquer this.
Do you think there was any question for which at least the language, the terminology, or the concept was not aware to you? You were not knowing any such question did you face?
No, sir, no. I can get the questions very clear, but
Hmm.
choosing the correct option, it was taking time, sir.
The last two options.
Yes, sir.
The first two, it was easy to eliminate, right?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes,
You have utilized elimination technique as well.
yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, let's talk about that. How did you manage time? Where did you give exam? What was the length
Yes,
of the questions, please?
yes, sir. I booked exam here in Riyadh in test center JNS Education, and I booked 28 days before.
Mm-hmm.
The date was not available, very close. So I booked there. I went maybe 2 hours earlier. I stayed there and I was waiting. Then I get inside the exam center. They told me, okay, you can come, start the exam. Then I started the first part, like 57 questions. It was quite easy. So I completed earlier. I completed in less than 70 minutes. Like I
Good one.
was, yes, sir. I was not worried about it. But after the break, like remaining 57 questions, it was quite difficult. So it take maybe 80 minutes, sir.
Hmm. It takes 80 minutes. Were there any scheduled break in the exam?
Sir, 10 minutes break, it is you can take. So I took this 10 minutes break.
Okay. The 10
Yes, sir.
minute break was there that you can take it. And how many after 89 questions?
Uh, no, sir, 57,
After
58
57,
question. Yes, sir. Total 115 questions.
total 115 question. How many mathematical questions were there?
Mathematical, sir, maybe two or three only.
Hmm.
But it
Yes,
was
but
like not big calculations. It was easy.
Hmm.
Only earned value management.
what was the subject? What was the topic of this?
Earned value management, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, and
So,
well,
and one more was only one chart coming for the tornado diagram to show the maximum like impact on the project, na?
Mm.
mhm.
Which risk will be having the maximum impact.
Okay, okay, that's great. Okay, and apart from that, what would you recommend further can be like how any questions that were not part of our preparation?
Sir, I cannot say that if we take the slides and study and then go to mocks, then it will be not difficult to complete the exam.
Hmm.
So I think we can make more questions or we can have one or two more mocks in the final mock, sir.
Okay, okay. Of course,
It will be better.
that is always possible. Gulzar,
Yes,
any
sir.
other question?
No, I think I have asked it.
Okay. Okay. Now let's walk about the customized roadmap. Kamran, I am sending you the breakout room. Okay. So let's talk about that. How many, like how the coaching calls work for you?
Yes, sir. Coaching call very important because it gives you the clear understanding for the concepts and ideas.
Mm,
So, like from PMP, yes, we have different things in PMP, but in RMP, like qualitative, quantitative, we need deeply knowledge about these things.
mm.
So, from Gulzar sir, it is a very, I was lucky. He was every day like coaching call we were conducting, and I can complete this one in less than 3 months, sir.
Okay.
Because in August it was just starting, and then September, October. In the end of October, I was prepaid, but the date was not available. So this is the thing then.
Thank you, Kamran. Thank you very much for that insight. And Gulzar, that's a great job that we are maintaining our 100% success record as we are moving. And I wish you best of luck, Kamran, for the future endeavors. And Gulzar, let's keep moving forward. Let's make more people
Okay.
RMP. Thank you, Kamran.